Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn to analyze the XPS data using CASA XPS software. This software is can be downloaded free of cost and can be used for the analysis of XPS data. So here we are going to analyze the XPS data using this particular software. Here we have the full scan for XPS that we can see here. It is binding energy versus the intensity of the plots, intensity of the peaks, and we are having this data from 0 to 1300 electron volt. Okay, so we will plot this data in CASA XPS. For this, here we will go to convert. We will not open it, but we will convert it, because here in this particular software the data is converted into its own format, that is VMS format, that we can see here. We have this full scan. We will open this. It will directly get converted if we convert it, and if we go back to that particular folder, we will have a .vms file, which is the file that is of this particular CASA XPS software. Now we need to analyze the peaks that are present in this particular data, XPS data. For this, we'll go here to the library, or we can press F10 to go to this library. We can click here. Here we have the energies, binding energies of all the elements with different oxidation states available here. And by knowing this is a standard database given by this particular software. Using this database, we can know what elements are present and what is the binding energy based on the peaks available there. Okay, but also there's an option given here to find the peaks. We can directly click here and find the peaks, but as soon as we click here and try to find the peaks, it is analyzing all the small, even the smallest peak here, and thus we can get a large number of elements available here. So we will not use this, we will clear this. And as we know, the data that we have collected for the material, the elements that are present in the material, we know them very well, so we'll just try to get them. The data is here, you see, is for ZNS sample, so Zn should be present here. As soon as I click here, the peaks for Zn are available. We can see here they are very well matching with the data. Second, what we have is ZnS, so sulfur peaks. Here we have sulfur peaks available here. Also, I know that it do consist of carbon, so here we get the carbon peak. Oxygen, here there is an oxygen, carbon also was present here. And finally, this particular peak belongs to nitrogen, that is present in our sample. Sorry, oxygen and nitrogen. This is the peak that is present for the nitrogen, and nitrogen 1s can be seen here. So in this way, we can label the peaks using CASA XPS software. We can directly take the screenshot of this particular screen or window, or we can use these labels and plot them in Origin software. Okay, thank you.